Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark, and today I am going to show you how to calculate your GPA from last semester. So I'm going to use an example student, and the first thing you want to do is go on Aspen and look at your grades from last semester. Now you will not have all of these classes on here. So let's say that my example student last semester took an English class, well, maybe, took an English class, a math class, a history class, they took a half credit PE class, and they took a half credit ACT prep. The half credits are the ones that are going to be weird, but a lot of upperclassmen have to take ACT prep, the half credit physical education class, or the economics class. So for that reason, I am going to show you how to do these half credit classes with this. If you do not have a half credit class, after I show you how to do these 3 classes, you will be able to do step 2 for your last class. So let's say that this student made an A in English class last semester. They made a C in math. They made a D in history. They made an A in PE. And they made a C in ACT prep. So I'm going to start here looking at these classes, and I am just going to say how many of each letter that I have in step 2. So I have, or this student has 1 D. Okay, so it looks like they have 2 A's, but remember that for this A is only a half credit. So really, they only earned 1.5 A's. And same thing with the C's. They only earned 1.5 C's. Now this student did not earn any B's, and they did not fail any classes. So the next part you're going to do is use what's in this box to calculate how many of each letter you have to get your grade points earned. This will go into your GPA, or your grade point average, which is what you need to get into college or get some jobs. So let's look first at how many A's we have. And we have 1.5 A's. We have 0 B's. 1.5 C's, 1 D, and 0 F's. So now we're going to take this and multiply by 4 for our A's, because if you have an A GPA, you have a 4.0. So I'm going to use a calculator, and 1.5 times 4 is 6. 0 times 3 is 0. 1.5 times 2 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1, and 0 times 0 is 0. So the next part you're going to do is add up the total number of points here. So we're going to do 6 plus 0, which is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 0 is 0. So we have a total of 10 grade points added together. So now we're going to take this and divide our number by the number of classes that we have. So remember that we have half credit classes. So half credits only count as half of a class. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. So really, you only took 4 classes. Now again, if you do not have a half credit class, that is a lot easier to deal with. There's less calculating. Okay, now I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to do 10, see, 10 divided by 4. And that gives me a GPA of 2.5. So my GPA, or this student's GPA, it's not a real student, is a 2.5, which is a C GPA. If you are looking to go to college, you want to have at least a 3.0. So this student will probably want to work really hard so that they can get their GPA up a little bit this semester. I hope this helps you calculate your GPA. If you have any questions, please email me or message me so I can help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.